What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's D Bless the Barber. It's been a long while. It's been a couple months since I've done a video again, so welcome me back. Here I'm gonna do a mid to low ball fade. We're gonna keep the top long. He likes to curl it up, so we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go ahead and create his shape with the clipper over comb. Just eliminating the bulk so we can get a clean canvas to work with. I like to go in there with the longer guard, typically about a number 3 or number 2. Here in this case we're going with number 3 guard. Going up just to create that shape and take some of that bulk down, makes it easier for us to go in there and get our fading done. We're going to go ahead in there with our Flash FX, and here this trimmer is not zero gapped, it's more of a soft trimmer, so I can go ahead and put this line of demarcation in and it'll still be soft enough to where it makes it easy for that bottom line to come out. We'll go ahead and clean up underneath that so we have a clean workspace. Here I'll go ahead and create his C cup a while so I know kind of like where the fade's gonna look like at the end. We'll go in there with our blade open, create that first guideline, and you'll notice that my fading process changes from haircut to haircut. I like to just switch it up so I don't get bored. So like I'll make sure I clean this first guideline out real good, and then I'll jump to that number 1 guard with the blade open and create my second guideline. And then I'll just follow that up with closing the clipper up. And you'll notice that because I use a flick out motion, that first line you barely can see that. It's super faint, so we know that we're doing something right, and it just makes the process go a lot faster. See, I like to make sure that one area at a time is super clean and the whole way through. I'll go in here with my number 1/16 guard and just using the corner of the blade, kind of knocking that first guideline out. And it's very faint, so it's not hard. It's super easy, especially when you use that C cup motion. You always want to try to fade with the C cup, I keep saying C cup, but with that C stroke motion, just because it just makes your process go a lot faster, and you're not digging into the head. You're just kind of making all your guidelines your guidelines softer. I feel like I'm just repeating myself, but man, bear with me. I'm gonna get this down to a T. It's been a while, and it's definitely it's kind of late when I'm recording this too. So, but here I went in there and we're gonna remove that bottom line. Just closing the clipper and then slowly opening it up so that bottom line is eliminated. I don't know why I said eliminated, but hey, it is what it is. But you'll notice me do a lot of corner cutting, just to take out any dark spots that I may see within the fade. Here I'm going in with my 1.5 guard, just going ahead and cleaning up. I'm trying to blend into that number 3 and the number 2 guard. And here I'm just cleaning up his beard. I didn't kind of put that in the tutorial, just more so just kind of showing a couple clips here and there of it. You'll see me line his beard up towards the end of the video, but it's nothing crazy. If he had like something worth saying, something about, we would have included it, but we just lined the beard up. He kept it pretty long. Here we're going to go in and take our texturizing shears, and we're just going to finish blending it into the long hair on top, making sure that we have a nice smooth transition. So now I'm going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So I go ahead and create my shape, and then I'll go ahead and start to, put my guidelines in, and I'll fade up and use the process. And this side came out a lot harder than the other side. I don't know if it was just the growth pattern or the way the hair was laying on this side, but we made it work. We made it happen, and everything worked out smoothly. If you're enjoying the video, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, help me out. I'm on the road to 1,000, road to 1,000 followers or subscribers, what you want to say, same thing, same concept, but just looking to grow, slowly but surely. I just need to stay consistent. Once I get consistent with, posting on YouTube, whether it's once a week, twice a week, I'm going to try to make it happen for you guys. Try to do like a wide range of things. I don't know what exactly I want to do. Like, tutorials are cool, but I don't know. Is it a flooded market? Is it still room to grow? How can I be different? Those are the things that I always have to ask myself, because what can I bring that's different than some of the top educators in the world that are on the YouTube platform, and they create enough content for a lot of people. So we'll see what comes about. Hopefully things can kind of come to fruition. But if you haven't known, I relocated to Texas from Pennsylvania. I have a vlog. I have a couple of vlogs on my page. Tried out a couple things, but I never kept up with it. It seems like that's the thing with me here lately. So feel free to check that out, and hopefully I can update you guys with another video, just letting you know like how it's going, how everything's going. I got a lot of big plans and a lot of big moves coming up, so it's gonna get a little bit wilder. Hopefully I can document the process and I can share it with you guys on my channel. Here's to take my longer guard and kind of go in and just kind of freehand that shape. Makes it easy because then you're kind of like, you're not digging in, but you're also just cutting just a little bit off, just to freehand and get that look. I feel like I'm just sleepy, man. I don't even know what's going on right now. I can't even speak. But so I didn't do the C cup first on this side versus the other side. Just small mistakes that I make. I mean, I'm human. We all make mistakes. Still trying to learn the whole YouTube thing and doing two sides at a time. Sometimes I do one side. Sometimes I do all of it all the way around. But it changes. It varies from person to person. That's just how I operate. Not everybody's just can do that, but I've tried so many different processes that work for me. So that's how that goes. Here, let's go in and I'm just detailing, doing some detail work, and I kind of detail as I go to make my process a little bit easier at the end. But we're getting to the end of the haircut. We're finishing up. I give them a little treatment at the end, soften the hair up with the hot towel right before the razor work. I mean, look at the fade, look at the C cup. I mean, it's so prominent. We're gonna go ahead and line his beard up, make it look nice and clean. And I really do appreciate you guys that watched it the whole way through. We're gonna go ahead and wet his hair down, saturate the hair a good bit. We're gonna put some curl enhancing gel in it and get it to kind of shrink down just a little bit. Right before I show you the final product, So before I hop out of here, once again, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's get my content out there to more people. I hope to bring more value, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks.